In a windswept Alpine basin, a seasoned guide tests a minimalist shelter against a roaring blizzard, live on camera. He demonstrates layered insulation using windproof shells down and improvised straw mats to trap heat without relying on fuel. When a crevasse rip opens, they deploy a rope cradle and a prusik system, teaching fall arrest and rescue coordination. Toward a frozen stream, they build a solar still, improvise ice knife hydrology, and discuss safe, rapid water purification. The episode ends with a measured debrief on calm decision-making, continuous practice, and respect for relentlessly harsh environments.